trying to watch now is Musica by G22 performed live at the Samsung Ultra Unfold event. Shout out kay Gigs PH. Thank you for uploading this video. Let's play the video. Nice. They introducing muna, no? Yeah, themselves first. Nagsasalita muna sila. Pero parang pangalawang performance yata nila. Parang sinabi ni AJ, no? Well, I didn't know. Their outfits look so beautiful. Yeah. Sila rin. They all look absolutely stunning. Let's take a moment to appreciate their beauty, their outfits, and their performance. Everything is just perfect. And since it's live, I think they're using hot mics too. Yeah. You know what? I'm familiar with this song and I know they're not the original artist of this song, but I really love their live version of it. It's their version that I really like the most. It feels so emotional whenever I listen to this song, especially when it's them singing it. Diba? Talaga idinidiin ko na sa kanila na gusto ko yung paraan nila ng pagkanta. Pero maganda rin naman yung original na kumanta. Pero nung ipinakanta sa kanila, mas nagustuhan ko pa. Sa akin lang naman. AJ voice sounds so beautiful. And now, Jazz voice is also incredibly beautiful. And now, si Althea na, di ba? Yeah. Yung style ng pagkanta ni Althea, her delivery is so good. Ikaw lang mahal. Tunog ng gitara naman siya. And the way their voices blend together is just perfect for the song. I hope the people attending aren't just on their phones. This performance deserves their full attention. If I were there, I'd be fully focused on watching them because they truly deserve it. Their voices are just so beautiful. Itatabi ko talaga ang phone. Yeah. But it's a shame that the audience doesn't seem to be giving them attention they deserve. Yeah. Pero pagka naging sikat, diba? Sobra. Siyempre, diba? Yeah. Abangan natin na maging sobrang sikat sila. Tamo, pagka naging sikat yan, titipig na lang sila.
Okay, what's your thoughts?
Okay, let's share my thoughts now. Yeah. What a performance of G22 truly deliver an emotional and powerful rendition of music. Their vocals were on point. AJ, Jazz, and Alfea all stood out with their unique tones and their harmonies blended so perfectly. I also love their stage presence and stunning outfits. They really own that stage, even though the crowd seemed a bit distracted. G22 gave it their all and absolutely deserved more attention. This performance was hyper polished and memorable. Ang ibibigay ko dito ay perfect 10. They truly earned it. And ikaw naman?
Our reaction right now is ballad. It's perfectly fitting because it's raining. What's the connection to the weather? Just kidding. Okay, first of all, this was a Samsung event. And I noticed that the visitors were eating. This is just based on this video. I saw everything that happened while G22 was singing. Some were texting, some were chatting, like they just met, and some even took group pictures. I just pointed that out because it was captured in this video. For me, that's just how it is. We're all different kinds of people, so we can please everyone.
Yeah.
But if I were there, I would appreciate the performers because they prepared for that event. And yet only a few appreciated them, like us. Just saying. Okay, let's move on to the G22's vocals. It was live and their harmonization was beautiful. Their three voices stood out. Perfect for this song. I also noticed Jazz' outfit was so sexy and it bagay sa kanya. I'm going to give a rating because I enjoy it and I didn't notice anything bad about their performance. Yung microphone had a little feedback, but overall, I give them a perfect 10.